Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and for today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy. So, what we're going to be using is mainly Canva and, of course, Etsy. Now we're using Canva because, well, simply it's free, it's easy to use, and you have a lot of resources in one specific application, which is really useful and helpful when we want to make our digital planner. So first of all, you can go on Etsy and we can start searching up for things like a digital planner. Now we're doing this mainly to get inspiration. So we'll search up digital planner over here. And as you can see, there are so many designs we can take inspiration from. Now, first of all, let's analyze the contents of the digital planner that we're going to have. So we're going to be working on a hardcover, the introduction, the content, the calendar, etc., so that we are able to upload it on Etsy and sell it for people to buy. So it's very simple. All you have to do is go to Canva, and first we're going to start by create a design right over here. So we'll do that, and the size that we're going to be picking is A4 document right here. So if you're not new to Canva, this will be fairly easy for you to follow along. If you are new to Canva, don't you worry, we'll be dropping a Canva tutorial pretty soon, so you can go check that out once it's been released. Chances are by now it's probably been released already. So as you can see, we have here one singular page, and we're going to add a lot of other pages so we are able to design them. We're going to name this one hardcover, this one introduction, and this one, let's say, calendar, etc. We can add here notes. Now, keep in mind, this tutorial won't be very in-depth. It's only going to cover the basics, the surface level basics on where to start, so you can go ahead and edit whatever details you'd like to edit to make your daily planner or your planner, your digital planner, the most you as it possibly could be. So, first of all, we have two options to choose from when designing a digital planner. Number one, we can search up digital planner templates here at Canva. As you know, Canva, if you don't already know, that Canva already provides a load of templates that you can choose from, or you can manually edit them yourself. Me personally, I would still prefer manual editing, as template designs on Canva, they are pretty not unique. They're not really original. So if you want your product to stand out, of course you'd like to make it as you as possible. So if we search up here digital planner, you can see Canva has already provided us with so many to use from. But we're not going to do that today because chances are there are already sellers selling those templates. So we're going to start with our hardcover, right? So personally, I'm going to make one of some kind of feminine butterfly theme, and we can make our hardcover. This is entirely up to you. I'm just designing it to my preference if I were to sell this online planner. So you can go ahead and design your front cover. So as you can see here, we have an element that we can put in, that we have put in our planner. So we can change the color, change the size. So zoom this in a little bit. And we can add fun little elements to further beautify our design. So, of course, the design that you pick will also depend on the kind of audience that you're trying to cater to. So, for instance, if I'm trying to cater to the feminine audience, more the female side, I would make a feminine design. Teenagers or more mature clients, that'll, of course, depend on your design. So, this is our hardcover. We've made our hardcover. Next, we have our introduction, in which we will make a list of all our. Next, we have our introduction. So make sure you guys can go ahead and search up digital planners on Google, or you can do some more research on Etsy to see what goes inside a digital planner. So yeah guys, for the sake of this tutorial, I just went ahead and borrowed on a template from Canva and just changed a few things. But of course, as I said, I still advocate for the original designs that you have. So people will, like the uniqueness of your own design. But for the sake of this tutorial, to save some time, I decided to just use a template. So this is what we have right now. Of course, you need to fill up all the pages, and the contents are entirely up to you. Make sure to research on the contents of the designs and what goes in a daily, monthly, or yearly planner that you have. So next, we're going to go on over to Etsy and create a listing for our product. Now, this in itself might not look very professional, and that is true. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this image and we're going to make a professional listing cover. And we can do that by going on and exporting it as an image first. I'm only going to be downloading page 1 because I only need the cover for the listing. And then we're going to open up a separate image. For this one, I'm going to be using a square design. Hey guys, just a teeny tiny little disclaimer about the sizes. So when you're making an item listing, apparently you're not supposed to do it in a square. So here on the screen, I have provided a list of dimensions that you can put in custom size for Canva, and you can easily do that by clicking create a design and then custom size, and you can just put the dimensions in there yourself. Okay, back to the video. Using the logo dimension, which is essentially just a square. Any square design will do. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this into my Canva account. There, it's right there as you can see. And then we're going to go on here and search up phone. And then I'm going to go over to the frames. Click, there we go. We used a phone frame right there. Let's change the background so it's easier to see. There we go. And we can do the same with the other devices, such as these. Making a listing cover. We have our listing image. We can go share and download this image as is and upload it on our listing. There we go. So as you can see, make sure to follow the dimensions of Etsy, at least 200 pixels wide. You can go ahead and edit that and fill out the details. And add your description. So simply, this is how you make your digital planner. All you have to do is fill out all of the details of your planner once you have finished, and you can go right ahead and upload that to Etsy. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!